sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Vivian Amos. Welcome and feel at home. And for the returnees, thank you so much for the support guys. I do appreciate. If you have viewed my videos and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In today's video, we are going to clean and reorganize the kitchen, boiling the cereals and baking guys. So stay tuned and please watch until the end.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my you're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are. 'Cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. 'Cause you're in my head. You are.
So this is the part guys, I want to do some changes. As you can see, that is my cooker and the fridge over there. So the changes are, I want to move that fridge from that side to this side. I've already put the socket up there, that's for the fridge. Yeah, I've already put the socket up there, so I'll be removing the fridge from this side. Yeah, from this side to this point guys, and the reason is because of the door guys. Anytime you open this door, it hits my fridge, and my fridge has a mark of the door. Yes, I don't know if you can see the mark. Yeah, that one there, that is because of that door. And also I want to get access to these two drawers. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there are 2 drawers over there. So I will be removing the fridge from that point to this point. Then I push my cooker a little bit on this side so that I can get access to those 2 drawers. So let's get into it guys.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to there. Oh, I
You can also close and open the drawers, and that's what I wanted. So that it is, guys. Keep watching.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside.
1 kg of self-rising baking flour, some veggies and eggs for lunch, 2 kgs of yellow beans, 1 kg of green grams, half kg of ground nuts, 250 grams of blue band, 1 kg of mudokoi maize, 1 kg of special dengu and rice for dinner. So let's start our boiling, guys.
Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
I'm going to show you how I bake my vanilla cake, guys, and these are the ingredients. So first I have 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar, 250 grams of blue band. This is my vanilla essence, and 2 cups of self-rising baking flour. And these are my bowl and mixture, and this is the self-rising that I'm using. This is eggs self-rising. So let's get into it, guys.
A little less 25. A little less, a little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I'm now going to preheat my oven, guys, at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
After adding in the mixture, guys, you tap the baking tray to remove the air bubbles. This is after 45 to 50 minutes. My cake is now ready, guys. The next thing to do is to put it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to cool. Then you serve it, guys.
town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only because I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up. Oh.
This is it, guys, and everything is ready. Here I have 4 tins of yellow beans, 2 of githeri, yeah, the mudokoi ones, the special dengu, 2 tins, the green grams, 4 tins, guys, and the last one is my cake. Down here I have my cake. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a sweet comment, give this video a thumbs up, and share me out if you can, guys. Bye bye.